So the coral bells have been here for about a month now, and they're doing very well. There was a little bit of a scare with this one when it was maybe had been out here for about a week. I was worried that it was dying on me, but I gave it some water and it bounced back. And for the most part, they're doing pretty well. They've got some sunburn on some of the leaves that you can see here. But that's normal for these. That's normal for this coral bell, at least. I'll show how bad it looks on some of the ones that are out in the other area. They really do not enjoy the heat here. The past week, I think every day we've had triple digits, and then the past few days we've had like dangerous heat. It's been like 107 degrees and stuff like that. It's been hotter here than it's been in Phoenix this week. Today we're having a little bit of a break from that. We're having a drop down to like 91, I think, is our high today. So we're having quite a heat wave. You know, everybody is, but here it's been 105, 106, 107. Pretty hot. So anyway, I just wanted to give an update. It's been a month, so I figured I would show what they're looking like now. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.